Oh mama, it is an exciting day. 2018 Phoenix football. 2 autos, 1 mem, and like the last year, 1 color burst hot pack per box on average. 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, and that is the rundown, my friends. Let's see. There are, let me just do a quick glance. Nike Swoosh Vapor Jet NFL Shield Team logo. That's what I need. Looks very similar to last year. A lot of colored parallels, numbered stuff. Yeah, I loved last year's Phoenix, so I'm expecting to love this year's. Rising Rookie Material Signatures, that would be nice. I have 2 boxes of this, so you can look to see both of those videos posted on the channel. Probably, I might post them both on the same day. I'm not really sure. Let's see how good the stuff that comes out of here is. Alright. Man. Here's a look at the pack. Alright, let's see what they look like. Oh wow, they look pretty good. This is the base design. Again, like last year, very reflective, refractor-like. Then we have Josh Gordon, Derwin James rookies to 199. So this is like the, I guess, pink parallel. First hit is a Cortland Sutton autograph patch numbered to 75. I think he didn't really have the best game last week, but he's playing, so that's funny. It's numbered right here on the front. Let's make sure that says 14 of 75, and then numbered again, so I guess it's 44. Numbered on the back and the front. I don't know if that is on purpose or accidental, or a boo-boo on Panini's part. Not sure. Then we have a Josh Rosen rookie. Not numbered. As a strong pack 1. TJ Watt, Marlon Mack, Doug Baldwin to 99, so that is an orange parallel. Adrenaline Rush, Odell Beckham Jr. If I'm not mistaken, they had this insert set last year as well, same name, and I think maybe in 2016. Rashad Penny rookie. Sam Bradford, Ajayi base, Devontae Adams, he had a big game this week. Big game. Phillip Rivers to 75. QB Vision, and it looks to be purple parallel version of this insert. And then Ronnie Harrison, rookie for the Jaguars. Tariq Cohen, Sean Jackson, a TJ Watt to 299, yellow, I guess, parallel. Here's the plain QB Vision of Wentz. Looks like it has a little scratch on it. So yeah, that shows that the Phillip Rivers is a purple parallel version. Michael Gallup, rookie. Seems like there's 1 rookie per pack. Bilal Powell, Todd Gurley, Royce Freeman, rookies, purple. And that is numbered out of 149. Here's a Hayden Hurst /75. That is my mem card. Again, purple. I guess purple. He's on the Ravens, so maybe it's supposed to be purple. But it is numbered out of 75, so I assume it's some kind of parallel. Ray McCloud rookie. Alright, we should still be looking for one more autograph. Stafford, Carlton Davis /299, red rookie parallel. Drew Brees /299, unmatched. Good looking card there. And Marquez Valdes-Scantling, rookie card. Not familiar with that guy. Aaron Donald, shady. Jameis Winston /299, red parallel. QB Vision Breeze, and a rookie of Ronald Jones II. Okay, this is the Color Burst pack. You can see that what these look like. McCown and Von Miller. A Tom Brady Most Valuable. Denzel Ward rookie. And Sammy Cobbs Jr. rookie. So that is my Color Burst pack. Other than the Brady, it's not such a great lineup of players there. Alex Smith, Golden Tate, Sam Bradford /199, woof. Calvin Johnson Megatron /25. This is gold, unmatched gold /25. That's a nice card. And Christopher Herndon IV rookie. Alright, down to the last 3 packs. Still looking for an autograph. Keenan Allen, Wagner, Lazard /75, rookie parallel, unmatched Gurley, not numbered. And Kiki, well, I think I finally heard it, Cootie. I think it's Cootie, I've been calling him Cootie. I was trying to make it fancier than it is. I think it's Kiki Cootie rookie. I wanted him to be Cootie. It sounds nicer. I like saying Cootie. Alright. McCaffrey, Kareem Hunt, Connor Williams /299, red parallel. Mason Rudolph what is that? Number 1/50. Wow, check that out. Holy smokes. That is a really good looking card. Other than the sticker, the sticker really stands off of there, kind of stands out. Other than that, that patch is sweet and super short print /50. It's a nice card. And Luke Falk rookie. Alright, our last pack. Should already have our goodies, but let's see who else we get in here. Odell, Beasley, Flacco. Here's a Julio /299, a Adrenaline Rush red. And we're going to end it on a Minkah Fitzpatrick rookie card, which I have not pulled many Minkah rookies, so I'm kind of happy about that. So that's it. Our hits were the Hayden Hurst jersey and then these 2 autographs, both with Very sweet patches. Although I still think this is an error with this numbering on the front and back. So if you want any of these cards, they will be on eBay or in the store. If you have any requests for me to list it on eBay or on Sports Lots or in the store, wherever you want to buy these cards from, you can let me know. Just email me at gametimecardshop@gmail.com and I will set that up for you. Alright, hope everybody's having a great week. I will be back with the next box of Phoenix soon.